Now, as you are all familiar with the preparation of sulfuric acid, with the physical properties, with the distinguishable properties of the sulfuric acid, that is the chemical properties that were like it is non-volatile, it is the pure one is bad conductor of electricity. So you have you are familiar with all the properties, right? So it is the time to look for the uses of the sulfuric acid. So first of all, it is used as a lab reagent, that as I have told you, that is it is actually a king of chemicals. So it is used in many laboratories, and it acts as a reagent. Second, it helps in pickling of metals. What is pickling metals? It means like the metal contain, like wherever there is a metallic impurity present, so sulfuric acid can be easily used, because we know that metals react readily with the sulfuric acid. So we can say it helps in the pickling of metals. That means it helps in removing the metallic impurities wherever they are present. Third, it helps in manufacturing of certain substances, like it helps in manufacturing of fertilizer. And which fertilizer? The most famous fertilizer, that is the ammonium sulfate, which is used in a you can say which has a popularity in the field of the agriculture. So you can say that it helps in forming that fertilizer, and many other fertilizers are formed with the help of sulfuric acid. It helps in the formation of explosives like TNT. It helps in the formation of sodium sulfate chemical, which is used in the manufacturing of the glass in glass industry, and it is used in the purification of oil products, and moreover, as I told you, it is a dehydrating agent. So wherever the dehydration is required, it is used as the dehydrating agent. So these are all the uses of this thing, the sulfuric acid. So you can just conclude that the sulfuric acid, why it is called as king of chemicals, because it has a distinguishable properties and a distinguishable use, and it is just helping in forming the other substance in the chemistry or other chemicals also, right? So sulfuric acid is an important compound. So just go through the chapter again, just go through the preparation, that is the the contact process, which is very important. You get it for 3 or 5 marks. So it is very important. Just make all the diagrams in a proper manner, arrange the tanks in an order, and just sum up all the reactions which I told you, right? And when we talk of the physical properties, you should know about its nature, its solubility, its dehydrating nature, and its acidic nature. Obviously, the dehydrating one, the non-volatile nature. All the natures means all where it is just you can say fulfilling the different purpose. You should be aware of all, and just go through this chapter. It is not a difficult one. So once you will start doing the chapter, you will just give a glance to a chapter. It will be an easy task to learn that.